In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then click on the create button in the left panel. Then next is click on build landing page. So first here, add in your landing page name and of course select an audience and click on the begin button. MailChimp offers several landing page templates. Pick one that fits your goal, like collecting email signups or promoting a product. A confirmation will then pop up, so simply click on I accept. Now in the right menu, you can see a drag and drop editor. Make sure that you use it to add text, images, buttons, and sign up forms. You can also change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Lastly, preview your landing page by clicking on the preview button at the top right. And once you're satisfied with the design, click on save and close and click on the publish button. MailChimp will then generate a shareable link you can send to your audience or you can promote online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!